doggy Milo's stuck on the bridge and he's terrified of the water.
Same dog, same bridge. We'll bring him back.
Oh, Milo, we're going to talk to the rail with the safety line.
He hates loud water. Please talk to him the whole time.
Mommy, come on over here. Milo, stay there, buddy. Same guy, same voice. Coming to you. Quick, Mark. Oh, Milo. Hey, Milo. I got you. We'll see you, Milo. Eyes on me, not the water, little guy.
You saved my whole world.
He was never letting go of that bridge.